Hey, I'm Luke, co-founder and CRO of Searchify, and we help small businesses understand and improve their AI visibility. And so traditionally, small businesses have relied very heavily on Google search, but obviously that landscape is changing with the launch of ChatGPT. And so today I'm going to show you an example of how Searchify works to help small businesses actually improve their visibility on these AI search engines. And so for today, we're going to use one of our pilot customers, Palace Games. Palace Games is an escape room in San Francisco that has historically relied very heavily on traditional Google search. And so for the sake of this video, I'm going to be Luke, Chief Marketing Officer of Palace Games. Let's go ahead and jump into it. So I come to Searchify. First thing I'm going to do is input my company domain. So we'll do palacegames.com. I get a quick overview of, hey, you need to provide these 4 things in order to get your AI visibility one-pager. So let's go ahead and get started. So first, Searchify wants to understand exactly what your business does and how you differentiate yourself. And so we use AI to scan your company's website and all these other sources on the web to have the best possible description of how you do business. Here's the business description provided for Palace Games. All looks good. Next, we want to understand your competitors. And so for Palace Games, we generated their top 3 competitors in San Francisco. And then we also give users the option to add competitors or to get rid of competitors here. We'll continue. Next, we want to understand who your ideal customer profile is. And so we generate 3 target personas and then a full description of who those people are and what they care about. Last, we generate a list of questions that each of these target personas would be asking at each stage in the funnel. Now we get into the actual dashboard. And so what I see when I first come here is my AI visibility score in comparison to my competitors. And then I also get to understand how I'm performing at each stage in the funnel, whether that's problem education, solution discovery, and purchase influence. From here, I can dive into insights to get an executive overview, and then also key insights. From here, you can see the actual conversations that users are having with ChatGPT and exactly what that output looks like. We also have a competition tab that allows you to understand exactly how you rank against your competitors in both SEO and also review profiles. Now it's results. So you need to understand and track how you're performing over time. And so in here, you can see all citations and referrals that are coming from ChatGPT, Google AI Overview, and then you can also look at how that's progressed over time. Lastly, most important, recommendations. So here's where we provide recommendations to you on how to actually improve your AI visibility. We've been working with Palace Games for a few weeks now, and so you can see all of the completed tasks that they've done. And so what we provide here is technical fixes on your website. And then we also generate content that aligns with your messaging to help you fill those AI visibility gaps. And so as generative search becomes the new front door of the internet, every company will need to understand how AI perceives them. And that's what Searchify is building.